I'm trying to work out how to say it.
Is it oh,
Chassis?
Chassis?
Yeah.
Chassis.
Ah, the fun things that we do.
What?
Alright, just an update on our chassis. Majority of the work's been done. There's only a few things that we need to do. Anyways, back at it again, trying to finish the chassis. Clean up the flooring. Yeah. Jesus Christ, that is tough. Solid. Alright, change the plan set. How'd you go? Good. Damn it.
Simple.
Check it out, please.
Simple.
Simple.
Oh, that might have been the one that actually. Be careful in case it's like bees or something. Is it mold?
Mm-hmm.
Just touched it and it just like powdered. I have no idea what is that. I've never seen anything like it.
Can't see it, I don't know. Some sort of weird animal.
I don't know if it's nothing like Nairobi, is it?
The hell is that?
It's like a plant. It must be a mold.
So we're gonna clear all this, including my wife. Look how soft this. Whee!
So we have grinded back all of the rust on the old one.
We've taken the flooring out, so now I'm just about to clean up the chassis. I'm trying to get rid of the sort of screws and pot rivets that's on it. As you can see there. How's it going? Hey?
My arm's dead already.
That's it.
It's cool.
That's it. That's so good. So taking the back off, the back panel off to replace the rotten timber up there and the sides, and yeah, good to go after that. Woo. Look at this is hard work. So I've been grinding and cleaning all the rust out the last couple of days, just getting it ready for welding. Putting some rust converter on it, paint a primer on it, and yeah, so it's ready to be painted.
What, primed it, painted it?
Primed it, painted it.
What else has RJ done? Not me.
So,
Put the new chassis on, welded it on.
We extended our drawbar with 600mm longer than the original one. We used 50 by 150 mil, 3 mil thickness steel. Around the chassis itself, we use 100mm by 50mm, same thickness, 3 mil. That sort of gives it a bit of strength. New C springs that we'll be putting on, rated at 2 tons. So that's just a bit heavy duty. There's still a few things that we need to do. Apart from that, yeah, we can work on the inside now, really.
A little bit of a tick off the box.
Yeah, that's it.
One of the many items that need doing.
So it took us about 9 months to get it done, from gutting the inside and removing the subfloors, grinding, scraping. What else did we do? Just dirty work. Obviously not consistently doing it.
Just bits here and there that we had time on weekend.
Yeah, that's right. I work full time. Stilis works full time with the kids, and she started work again. So it's just finding time to get it done. So yeah, we're pretty happy where it's at, and on to the next project section of the van.